your time to imagine. Make your imagination genuine. The earth without forest, how disgusting will it be? If we declare war against nature, what will become of us when nature declares revenge? There will be no beauty to be admired, no river to flow, no grass to grow, no birds to fly high, no fish to swim low. The earth without forest. Silent world, so silent, with no elephant to trumpet, no lion to roar, no wolves to howl, no hyenas to scream, no owls to hoot. What a world without forest. Empty world, so empty, with no beautiful scenes. Cheetah running after gazelles, leopard pouncing on buffaloes, water protecting their young ones, eagle hunting for their prey. Such a gloomy world without forest. The earth is our paradise. We ought to be wise enough to arise to conserve our forest. In them lies the beauty, the fulfillment of life. It is our absolute responsibility to uphold dignity and avoid brutality against our forest, our nature, our treasure.